Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this project you need Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, LCD display with I2C, breadboard, mini or off size, and few jumper wires. In this project I have added liquid crystal underscore I2C library and new ping.h library. You can go to library manager and search for new ping library and install it. I have already installed it. You can install and proceed. This is the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor, which is connected to pin number 9 on Arduino Uno, and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 10 on Arduino Uno. The maximum distance of the ultrasonic sensor is 200 centimeter. New ping sonar, this will set the short form of it so that the trick pin and echo pin works easy when the values are given. And this is for initializing the LCD. This is for owning the backlight of LCD display. This will set the cursor of first column and first row, and it will display ultrasonic distance, and LCD set cursor, that is 0 is for the column, that is the first row, and this is, if you place 1 on the second value, it will go to second row. In the second row it will print measuring, and in the you can observe it also in the serial monitor. There will be delay of 50 milliseconds between each of the measuring, and distance in centimeter is equals to sonar ping dot centimeter. That has here new ping sonar, it is the short form, in the short form, and it will set the cursor again and clears the above information and prints the value, that is how much centimeter is the distance between the object and the ultrasonic sensor. And this will, if distance is 0, it will display out of range, else it will display the correct distance. Here also it is the same, but it will display in the serial monitor. Go to boards manager and select board. I am selecting Arduino Uno as my board. Now the Arduino Uno is in COM port 5. Click OK and compile the sketch. After compiling, hit the upload button. After uploading, remove your Arduino Uno from your PC or laptop. Take breadboard and ultrasonic sensor and mount it to breadboard as I am showing. Take male to male jumper wires, 4 male to male jumper wires. Connect ground of ultrasonic sensor to ground on Arduino Uno. trig of ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 9 on Arduino Uno. And connect echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 10 on Arduino Uno. And connect VCC of ultrasonic sensor to 5V pin on Arduino Uno. Take LCD display, take male to female jumper wires, 4 male to male jumper wires, connect the jumper wires to the display, make sure the wires are connected properly to LCD display, and ground of LCD display to ground on Arduino Uno. Now connect VCC pin of LCD display to 5V pin on Arduino Uno, and SDA of LCD display to A4 pin on Arduino Uno, analog pin number 4. And SCL pin of LCD display to A5 pin on Arduino Uno. I am showing the circuit diagram. Connect power cable to Arduino Uno. It would display ultrasonic distance, and below that it would display the distance, how much centimeter. You cannot see properly, I'll bring it near you. Here I am using an object as IR sensor. It's displaying 10 centimeter 7 when I take it near. It's showing 5. When I take it far away, it shows 19, 17, 18. As I take it far, it will show the distance. I take it near, it will show the distance. As I am going far away, the distance is going more than 10. It's near to it, it's showing 10. If I go far away, it will show more than 10. It will show the accurate distance. If there is no object under 100 centimeter, it would display more than 100.